Hi, welcome back to Let's Play Gender. I'm your host, Julia. Today's gender is Demigender. Demigender is spelled Demigender. Demigender has three subgenders. They are demi-boy, demi-girl, and demi-genderqueer. Fuck me spelling those for you. It's shit. Let me give you the definition of demigender. The definition is feeling partially one gender and partially something else. Example, demi-boy, demi-girl, etc. The something else may or may not be known. Let me use it in a sentence for you. Hank wants something else to get him through this demigender kind of life. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's gender and you'll join me again tomorrow for a brand new one on Let's Play Gender. Goodbye.